Do you ever worry about someone breaking into your room while you travel? This is how I prevent that and keep my room secure and myself safe. It's the SeDoLi Portable Security Door Lock from CGPLUS. It comes in this convenient felt pouch, and inside you'll find the main body, a sturdy bracket, a user manual, and a QR code you can scan for a quick installation video guide. It comes with a built-in coin battery. Just remove the insulating film and it's ready to use. To set it up, simply hook the bracket onto the door strike, close the door, and hang the main body to the nearest groove to the door, and you're done. No tools, no hassle. It works on both left and right-hand doors, and it's the first of its kind with an alarm system. When the device is turned on, if the door is forced open, the device locks and the alarm sounds at the same time. The alarm deters the intruder and gives you time to call for help while alerting anyone nearby. A problem with other door locks like this is the door strike latch protrudes slightly and the bracket gets caught in the gap of the door. In this case, if a fire breaks out, you're trapped. But this product was designed with an escape-friendly design to solve this problem. It's the first one designed to make it easy for anyone to escape. With SeDoLi, you can lock your door easily and sleep soundly.